हेलो एवरीवन। आज हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे इज हैदराबाद रियल एस्टेट मार्केट क्रैशिंग एंड व्हाट इज द बिग पिक्चर बिहाइंड इट। व्हाट इज द बिग पिक्चर बिहाइंड द रियल एस्टेट मार्केट इन जनरल एंड इन हैदराबाद। सो लेट्स डिस्कस इट। इससे बढ़ने से पहले मैं आपको बताता हूँ कि ये टॉपिक मुझे कहाँ से मिला। ये टॉपिक आप हर जगह देख रहे हैं। हाल ही में मैं एक रेडिट पोस्ट पढ़ रहा था, उस पे कुछ भी आता है, कुछ भी रियल एस्टेट की न्यूज़ आती है, उसमें पहला कमेंट होता है कि हैदराबाद रियल एस्टेट मार्केट इज क्रैशिंग। तो मैंने सोचा कि इस चीज़ पे आज देखते हैं, रिसर्च करते हैं कि क्या इज इट रियली क्रैशिंग और इज इट जस्ट अ साइकोलॉजिकल बिहेवियर ऑफ द पीपल। तो लेट्स डिस्कस करते हैं इस चीज़ पे। बहुत ही बेसिक चीज़ से समझते हैं। हैदराबाद रियल एस्टेट मार्केट जब हम लोग क्रैश बोलते हैं तो व्हाट डू वी मीन बाय इट। क्या आज जो 1 CR का फ्लैट है वो क्या कल 50 CR का हो जाएगा अगर रियल एस्टेट मार्केट क्रैश कर जाएगी? अगर हो जाएगा तो क्या ऐसा हो रहा है? आपको ऐसा मिल रहा है मार्केट में कि 1 CR का फ्लैट आपको 70 लैक्स में मिल गए, 1.5 CR के फ्लैट्स जो हैं कोकापेट में वो आपको मिल गए लेट से 90 लैक्स में 1 CR में? ऐसा नहीं हो रहा है। क्या हो रहा है मैं आपको बताता हूँ। ये लोगों का एक साइकोलॉजिकल बिहेवियर है, एक साइकोलॉजिकल एक्शन है जो कि मार्केट की तरफ उनको बता रहा है। मार्केट में जब भी प्राइसेस बढ़ते हैं तो हमने देखा है कि लोग फियरफुल हो जाते हैं। लोग फियरफुल क्यों होते हैं? क्योंकि अब उनसे नहीं खरीदा जा रहा है। अब जो 1 CR प्रॉपर्टी हिट हो गई है या 1.5 CR प्रॉपर्टी हिट हो गई है, अब उनके बजट से उनको ऐसा लग रहा है कि चीज़ें बाहर जा रही है। एंड उनके दिमाग में ये चीज़ है कि अगर ये 1 CR की प्रॉपर्टी बढ़ गई है और 1.5 CR हो गई है या 1.2 CR हो गई है लास्ट 2-3 ईयर्स में, तो खरीद कौन रहा है? वो सोचते हैं खरीद कौन रहा है तो वो सोचते हैं कि हम ही तो बायर्स हैं मोस्टली। अगर हम नहीं खरीद पा रहे हैं, द IT पीपल एंड द जनरल कॉमन मैन, वो सोचता है कि अगर हम नहीं खरीद पा रहे हैं तो कौन खरीद रहा है। There are many people who is driving the real estate force behind Hyderabad market, and it is not just the IT employees only. It is a much bigger picture now. मल्टीनेशनल कंपनीज बाहर से इन्वेस्ट कर रही हैं यहाँ पे। आप देखोगे बहुत सारा डेवलपमेंट हो रहा है। द मैसिव डेवलपमेंट स्प्री इज गोइंग ऑन आफ्टर द कोविड विच आई एम सीइंग। प्रीवियस कोविड इतना फोकस नहीं था, लेकिन आफ्टर कोविड आई एम सीइंग अ ह्यूज डेवलपमेंट स्प्री इज गोइंग ऑन। हाइड्रा, if you have seen in the news, Hydra is a government agency whose only job is to clear out the lands from the encroachment. If the Hyderabad real estate market would have been crashing, for example, इसको पकड़ लेते हैं, Hyderabad real estate market is crashing. Why does the government have huge incentive to clear out the encroachments? Because the land value has gone above the roof and government wants this land for themselves. Telangana government, if you have seen in the news, they are not able to pay the employees' salary, the teacher's salary, the government job salary, and they are struggling to meet it. They are going to center and asking for money. These land banks, if freed from Hydra, and these land encroachments, if they are freed from Hydra, they would be a big jump to the Telangana government and to the Telangana and Hyderabad people as well. लिंक करो आप इसी को इसी चीज से कि आप और मैं हैदराबाद रियल एस्टेट मार्केट में, हम लोगों को रेंट के लिए घर चाहिए। A common man lives wants to take a flat for rent in Hyderabad. His job is in IT company. Are you getting the flats? My question is, are you getting flats? You are not getting the flats. It's very difficult to scout the 2 BHK and 3 BHK flats. Then the landlord will have some demands and the rents have been skyrocketed and you are not able to find because there are very less occupancy in a society. If there is a society, there are multiple apartments, like, and there are multiple towers, 8 to 12 towers in one society. You will find most of them, 80 to 90% of them are occupied, and only 10 to 20% are remaining. And those would be remaining, like, if a tenant is leaving at 30th of the month, the next tenant is ready to come at the second of the month. Only 2 days gap is there to find the property. Hence, people are not getting the property. This means rental is in high, and rental is in high always shows that the property behind it is skyrocketing. There is always a lag. The rents will go high, the property prices will match that. Rents will again go high, property prices will again match that. This is a basic phenomenon. This is not a like a stock market कि जहाँ क्वार्टरली रिजल्ट्स आए, कंपनी ने अच्छा परफॉर्म किया तो ही स्टॉक्स ऊपर गए. ऐसा नहीं होता है, लैग होता है. क्वार्टरली रिजल्ट्स आने से पहले आप देखोगे स्टॉक्स बढ़ चुके हैं, क्योंकि दे आर सीइंग द सेल्स वॉल्यूम इज इंक्रीजिंग. सिमिलर टू द रियल एस्टेट हैदराबाद, द सेल्स वॉल्यूम इज इंक्रीजिंग इन हैदराबाद. मोस्ट ऑफ द बिल्डर्स का फोकस है लग्जरी, अल्ट्रा लग्जरी एंड प्राइम सेगमेंट्स में फ्लैट बनाने का. दे आर नॉट focusing on affordability, which I think builders should take a pause and think about the affordability as well. Affordability means if the price is around 10,000 rupees per square feet in West Hyderabad, in areas like you can take say Kokapet or Nana Karamgoda Financial District, ISP Road, these places, if it is 10,000 square feet, which is, you don't have to make a flat too big that it becomes unaffordable for a huge majority of people. You don't have to make a 1340, 1440, 1500 square feet just for a 2 BHK to show how massive thing you are building. You can make it at 745 square feet, 800 square feet, which is a decent flat, very decent flat for a common man with two kids, husband, wife. आराम से decent size है, 800 square feet, 2 BHK with balcony. It would be very nice and decent. Don't have to waste that much extra space. But had builders are focusing on the bigger sizes because people are buying it. Most people are buying it because they don't have any other choice. Another reason Hyderabad real estate market is growing, multiple posts in Reddit and YouTube and everywhere people are discussing that layoffs is happening. Layoffs चल रहे हैं, ठीक है, but I am nowhere seeing कि layoffs they are impacting real estate market. Layoffs are happening, real estate market is going up. Is this, you think it's a paradox, but it is not, because layoffs are happening at big companies, but they are filling the people from the lower salary. So let's say a people employee who is working at Amazon, let's say 50 lakh, he is laid off. A person with 20 lakhs who wants to join the Amazon, or 30 lakhs, he would take it. Or the person who has a salary of 1 CR in Amazon, 30 lakh people can join. Two people he can take and still be having that much efficiency as of 1 crore. So that is happening. Another thing which is happening is big time GCCs are coming in Hyderabad, global capability centers. Global capability centers, nobody is looking at it. This is a very niche and very good thing that I am seeing. Hyderabad, if you know, it is a second driving force behind GCC all over India. It is at number 2. I was just looking at data. It is employing 2.36 lakh professionals. Do you think 2.36 lakh? You don't think about 2.36 lakh professionals. Think about it like 2.36 lakh people will be coming to be in rent. Rental will increase. 2.36 people will need these flats. This means builder will have to make these flats, and builder will not make these flats if he is not making profit. This means the prices will skyrocket as soon as market realizes it. We are the person, I am one of them, who is doing the research in all of this, and we are seeing a very good jump in GCC's registrations in Hyderabad. डेली आप न्यूज़ देखोगे तो जीसीसी कोई ना कोई रजिस्टर हो रहा है, बड़े बड़े जीसीसी आ गए हैं, कॉस्टको आ गया है, बॉश ग्लोबल, and they are employing a huge majority of people. They are just opening the leasing their offices, they will be employing the people, and suddenly you will see that people are not getting flats for rent only, and people are saying in the comment section and in the Reddit and everywhere, like these flats will stay empty, these flats will stay vacant. That is not going to happen. बिल्डर माल तभी बनाता है जब उसे पता है कि माल बिकने वाला है। माल अगर नहीं बिकना है तो वो नहीं बनाएगा भाई, वो कुछ और काम कर लेगा। They have no incentive of making a flats which will remain vacant, and there will be no person residing in that. So that is there. My take away, अगर आपको इस वीडियो से लेना है तो मैं चाहता हूँ कि जितने भी पर्सन जो साइड लाइन हो रखे थे, एंड दे आर थिंकिंग वेदर दे शुड नॉट, लाइक वेदर और दे शुड नॉट इन्वेस्ट इन हैदराबाद, वो ये इस सोच में थे, दे आर इन साइड लाइन्स। आई एम अर्जिंग यू टू स्टार्ट प्लानिंग, स्टार्ट लुकिंग इनटू इट। एनी अपॉर्चुनिटी, गुड अपॉर्चुनिटी comes, pick it. Don't think about it, just pick it. You will see in next few years people will be struggling to find flats for rent and for buying purposes, because builders are holding the units. They will release the units when the prices will be much higher, much higher than the current proportion percentage. They will release the units then, and then you will suddenly realize that the price has increased and you are not able to buy. So for the investment purposes, I would recommend go for the affordability, look for the affordable flats. Opportunity lies there, prices will increase there, and in the upcoming times the rents will also increase. I told in the previous that there will always be a lag, so you'll have to look out into it. Start looking for these payment plans from builder where 1090 is there, 2080 plans are there. These are very good. This means 10% you pay now and 90% after possession. This means for 1 CR flat you are only paying 10 lakh amount and you are booking the flat. That's it. And once it completes, at that time, after 3 4 years when it will complete, you can keep it on rent and you will see a good appreciation in your rent and in your investment purposes. This is the thing which no one is talking about Hyderabad real estate market, and I thought I should make a video so that people are aware. People who are on the sideline, they should not think like they have missed a bus when the prices go crazy and when the rental market goes crazy. They should act now, otherwise it will be too late even for the investors to jump in, and then only the MNCs will buy. I think, in my opinion, I don't know when that day will come, but investors will always be there. Either they will be in the form of group or they will be in the form of a single individual. Currently a single individual will be able to own multiple flats if he has a good corpus, but I am saying start looking into it, and it will be of very great benefit. Thanks for watching Sarkar Real Estate. Please subscribe to the channel for more updates on it and stay tuned, more of it will come. Thank you for watching Sarkar Real Estate.